Ayan. Ang bigat kasi ng cellphone. Saan ko na siya dayo eh? Ayan. Hello to my 130 na hello Faik Sahin. Hi Faik. I stand for I want to request sweet. You're so sweet. Hot mom. So Faik's ahead. That's my tooth, my niece. Make me fall in love. What? I took my 156. We have 2 minutes more to go before I end my live because it's late in the evening here. See you on my upload videos there. Lol brat, why all Philippines look the same faces, the same nose? Because we're Filipino, our nose is big and flat. I don't know. Lol rat. Is the same? No, not the same. So most of Filipina are morena. Not me. I just mix with Espanol, with Spanish. Private app I pay. I have my Patreon. Yeah, Patreon account. I put on my profile. You can click the link over there. Go to my profile and I have there my membership. You can watch more of me there on my Patreon. Ay kung maniwang lang no kay dili mo matured pag tambok matured. Dino? Ha? Sure ba na? Kung someday ngayon ako niwang tambok. Ha? Naganahan man ang uban og sabi ko. Kaya kung mga idol na naman yung sabi. Nag-idol. Kaya mag-kiss mo fair. Ay magpamusta. Okay lang. Shout sa boy. Shout out sa boy. Pero wala pang panag-google kasi hindi ka magpapunta sa inyong lugar. Skin color. I love your skin color. Yep. Oh, almost done live. Hello, Angel Balicho, one of my viewers. Hello. Shout out. Please join my membership. Ikaw Cola ni. You join my membership. Sexy looks. I'm just a simple woman. A simple mom. I love your sexy looks. Squash. What was the last NC? Yep. I'm a single mother. I have son. Only one. Are you about to end live? Because it's 30 minutes. So ready to small mom talaga. Mayon, tag naka dito. Lamit ni mo mom. Ay, hello Kalib dad. I want to marry you. Marry dad. Ouch. Hello Kalib dan, you are from saan ka nanood? Taga-asa ka Bisaya kumpog ka. Parehas ta. Saan niya akong Diyos? Hi to you.